Oh, good day. Okay, in today's training, I'm going to be um aspect of introductions to Microsoft Excel. So at the end of today's training, you are going to learn how to use the basic interface of Microsoft Excel and develop professional templates. So now, what is Microsoft Excel? So now, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows users to organize, analyze, and evaluate numerical and financial data. And Excel spreadsheets can be used for such activities as creating financial statements, preparing budget, managing inventory, and analyzing cash flow. This chapter will introduce the basic of creating a worksheet, open workbook, and saving workbook in a worksheet. Learning to enter data as well as the use of formulas to calculate sum and average. Learn to enter data quickly and efficiently using features such as the field handle and to apply basic formatting to data in conventional accounting style. So when you talk about the Microsoft Excel, you see this kind of interface when you open your Microsoft Excel. So now over here, let me open Microsoft My Excel. So when I come here, I will see the interface like this. So this is the blank workbook in case I want to open a fresh blank workbook. And there are series of templates. There are series of this shows your recent file over here. So now there are series of templates over here in case I want to take advantage of the template. So while you click here, more templates. If you are intention to give an invoice to somebody, you can click on invoice. So and create. So this will create an invoice for you. What you needed to do here is to rename the complaint to be your own complaint and feed your information to be in line with your complaints goals and objective. So now we are coming back here and we are doing a blank Excel, Excel sheet. So now this is different template of what you may like. So at the end of today's training, majority of the templates you are seeing here, you should be able to develop them and design them. So let's open our blank workbook, which is this blank workbook. So first of all, this is the Excel spreadsheet interface. So now these are your ribbon, while this is your column and your cells. Your column, your row and your cells. So this is the column, while this is the row, while these are the cell. The intercept between your column and your row is the cell. So now what we can do right now here, first of all, before I start anything here, because I noticed that the cell here they are very very tiny. So I want to increase the length of the row of the cell. I can click here and I click on format and I click on row height so that I can increase it, can give me a space a little bit. I can change it to 25. So now all the whole cell in the row have actually expanded a little bit so that we can actually understand. This is a very simple stuff. So when you click here and you click on the format beside your insert here, you can actually adjust the row height over here. So now once you understand that now, then the basic thing you need to understand is just that your role, your row, your row, your column, and your cell. So what are your row? This is your row. So your row is about 1 to 1 million, millions, 1 to millions, and this is your column here. Your column is A to infinity, A, B, C. So that is your column, and your cell is a intercept. The intercept between the two. So now that is a cell. So now when you understand that now, then you can now work with this now. So over here now you have a sheet.